Welcome to RPF. In this video, we'll talk about very important automations which we are using in day-to-day life. If you're using Word documents, normally creating Word documents, adding images, adding text, these are the repetitive tasks which might be needed to create the automations by using some RPA-based tool. So here, we'll automate Word document by using Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. If you want to learn Power Automate from scratch, feel free to refer my complete Power Automate playlist. So for creating a new flow, you have to just click on new flow. The name of flow, there is a new FX enable features that are available. If you want, you can enable it or just keep as it is. This will take few seconds to create a flow and give the space for our automation. Now, which all operations you can perform it with what? Simply type here. You will get launch and close Word options attached to running Word, save Word, read from Word document, write to Word document, insert image, and find and replace. So these all operations you can perform it in Microsoft Power Automate desktop versions. We'll see one by one. Let's consider I want to launch Word documents, and here I wanted to either use open the following documents, which will give you options to select your document file, or you can even use the blank documents. Here, whenever you're opening any instance visible, this options should be enabled if you want to open in read only mode, where you can just read. Writing is not possible, you have to enable it. As of now, I wanted to open the blank documents, which should be instance visible, and that should create what instance as a variable. Now, my word is launched. Next, I want to write something in this Word document. So, what informations I want to be added. And here you will get options. Either you can add the text in between or beginning of the Word file, end of the Word file, before bookmark or after bookmark. So here I'm just adding this is a new text added by Power Automate. Now, if we want to append new lines, you can also provide it, otherwise just disable it. Click on save and this data will be added successfully once we run the code. After that, I want to insert a new image. By inserting the image, it will use same instance, which even if you can create a new documents as well, that's fine. After that, insert image, beginning of the Word file, end of the Word file. So all options are available. Whichever you will prefer, you can add it. Maybe we can select this time end of work file, insert file, or you can also use clipboard. So if data is already copied on any operations on clipboard, you can paste it into the work file. Now, image path I'm directly giving here or selecting the file locations. But in your case, if you want, you can create a variable and add it. I'm adding this image simply, and this will store this path. So this path will be added. If you want, you can use create a variable and use this variable inside here. Once the document data will be added, I want to read the text which is available. So here, whole documents, it will read, or pages. If you want, you can specify it. So here, once you select the pages, you have to give the page number. Or if you want to read from bookmark, you have to provide the bookmark name. Now, I don't want to use all this. I want to read whole documents. That will create a new variable with what data. That's it. And after that, I will add message box. So this will display on message box. I wanted to use as Word data. That's it. Let me run it and see the result. And even after that, we can close the document as well. Close. Maybe I will just write it on Word. Here, after that, it will close. Now I wanted to run from here, so let's run this. It will open the Word documents, add text, images, and after that it will read the text and show that available text on the message box, and post that it will close it. So now you can see the Word file will be closed. Before closing, if I wanted to save this, I will use this one. So here it will save documents here, and that's it. Let me run it. First, it will launch the Word documents, write text, insert images, read the value, and display this on message box. After that, it will save it and then it will close it. So that's complete flow of Word. If you want to attach running Word, you can also use it. Instead of opening a new Word files, you can attach any running instance, whichever you want. So this is how you can create a complete end-to-end automations using Microsoft Power Automate to Word documents, because Word documents are regularly used for any businesses or any enterprises into their day-to-day life. These type of operations we can quickly perform, and once done, you can close it and save these documents. Now, if you want, I will show this documents how it looks. So let me delete these two, run it, and then show the result. Now you can see this result is available. I'm not closing the Word document, and you can see this text and images added successfully. So whenever you want, you can either save it or directly close it. So that's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle.